Growing an audience on Pinterest is all about strategy and creativity. First, focus on creating visually appealing pins that reflect your brand. Use high quality images and clear text overlays to grab attention. Next, optimize your profile by using keywords in your bio and board descriptions. This helps your content show up in search results. Consistency is key. Pin regularly, ideally daily, to keep your audience engaged. Join group boards related to your niche. This expands your reach and connects you with like minded users. Don't forget to leverage Pinterest's idea pins. They allow you to share more dynamic content and tell your brand story effectively. Lastly, analyze your performance using Pinterest Analytics. Pay attention to what resonates with your audience and refine your strategy accordingly. With these steps, you'll not only grow your audience, but also drive traffic to your business.